I don't really like cutting things above me, only when I'm positive about it. You know, you can only, your luck only takes you so far sometimes. But yeah, laying it up here. Try to advance this time point a little bit. Since I set it up so short, just one of those kind of things where it's either you set up a low time point, or you could just go up and use a spar anchor. Use a spar anchor to get the job done. All right. Hey DJ.
Yes, sir.
Go get a helmet from Justin. Get a helmet from Justin.
A helmet?
Yeah, he's got one. Yeah, my dude needs a helmet. All right, guys, here we go. Creating a nightmare down there for my dude. I feel bad. And all we need to do, all we're trying to do is lay these pines down. So we got to get them to a point where we're gonna avoid ripping too much out of these, or anything out of these. What are they? Look like probably red oaks. Yeah, that's what they look like. Pin oaks. So these pin oaks here need to be taken care of, you know what I mean? So the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna try to just get rid of these branches here, which will swipe these branches and possibly snap them. So it'll be this one. We could leave these back branches, you know, they'll fall straight, you know. They won't hurt anything. It won't catch anything, I should say, rather. And so